Hey folks, let's learn something new about the oil and gas industry. Today we're in the beautiful Woodlands, Texas, and we're sitting here with Jeremy. Hey Jeremy.
Hey Mark, how are you?
Jeremy works with this awesome company called Mobile Data Technologies, and the reason I'm laughing is I messed it up, but I edited it out so you won't see it. So tell me a little bit of history about your company.
So we began in 2009 as a data acquisition company, data acquisition only, and what we did is we provided data acquisition solutions for pumping equipment where they could monitor their pressures, flow rates, that type of equipment. But what we would do is we would give them an easy way with our software and hardware combination to monitor and then provide a job report showing, all right, this is exactly what we did while we were out doing the work for you. So they provide that to their operating company and away they go.
So not a bunch of IT people screw around. This is stuff that the business, like the frontline people, actually could use to help them their business.
Well, that's right. And the thing about it is we have to think about when we're starting a company like this is we have to think about who's actually using our stuff. We're the technology company building it, but the type of operators that are using the equipment are, they're not of a computer technology or knowledge level, right? So what we have to think of is how are they going to use it. So we have to find a way to either simplify it, keep it simple for them so that they can operate our software and hardware and easily do what they need to do out there without having to be IT engineers, right?
So what's cool about that is you said simplify. And the oil and gas industry loves to make things complex, but y'all have made stuff so ridiculously simple that literally all you have to do is pull a new piece of equipment on site and things start talking to each other?
Well, that's right. So, along with what we do, we in the data acquisition, we then now went into controls. So we do data acquisition systems, we do control systems, typically in a frac spread environment, which, as we know, a frac spread is unique and different to any other control environment. So when you're talking about controls, most environments are static, right? Well, this is very dynamic where you have different frac fleets or different types of equipment all the time, depending on the job requirements of the company, right? So what will happen is they'll pull in a different amount of frac units, different amount of blender. Sometimes you have to switch your blender out, whatever. Either way, what we do is we provide an easy way to do that with an auto registration. So because it's called a smart frac technology, and basically what it allows you to do is connect your unit, whether it's the frac pump or the chem unit, hydration, blender, and it automatically detects that unit and understands which unit it's controlling because it thinks of the entire frac spread as its own control system rather than the individual piece of equipment being its own control system. Does that make sense?
Makes perfect sense. Now, let me make sure I get this right. So if I'm an operator out there and I have to move a mixer from one field to the other, are you telling me I don't need a bunch of IT guys out there doing wiring and stuff?
That's correct. So all you have to do, plug it in, and then it just shows up automatically on your computer screen.
Man, that is awesome. You talk about drive efficiencies, especially in this low crude price market, but then you're also making things easier so people don't have to worry about stuff. So, Jeremy, if people want to learn more about what you do, where should they go?
Well, first they can check out our website, mobiledatatech.com, but if they're interested in actually seeing it firsthand, we're actually going to be displaying our complete data van, which includes all the data van controls for the frac fleet at the upcoming SP Hydraulic Fracturing Trade Show. So go ahead.
So SP Hydraulic and Frac Show, I'm going to be there. I'm going to go check out Jeremy's van and all their stuff. But if people wanted to learn more, that would be an awesome place for them to actually see it real life and touch it.
That's the thing, is that this is a very rare opportunity for them. Rather than having to go out to see a frac site, they can actually see it working in person.
Yeah. So we'll put links in the show notes, not only to his website, but to the SPE Hydraulic Fracking Conference, so you can go as well. Jeremy, man, thank you so much for your time.
Man, thank you, Mark. Thanks for having me.
Folks, I hope this helped. We will see you next time.